Today, we are doing lion's mane inside of a 10-pound all-in-one manure-based super grow bag. Here we go. First thing that we need to do is go ahead and unwrap the bag. We usually put all of our bags in food-grade storage bags. That way, they'll last up to 4 months, even with the straw and the manure super mix inside. But these bags are so big that we actually have to use food wrapping just to be able to keep everything in line, make sure it stays perfect from the auto bagger, and then get it right to you. So let's unwrap it and get to work. This bag is absolutely massive. So the first thing that we're gonna wanna do, and it's the same with every bag, is we're gonna grab the gussets on the side, and then we're gonna pull out to let some nice fresh air inside of the bag. Yes, we are gonna do this before we put anything into the self-healing inoculation port. Regardless of what you have seen on any other channel, no one else is actually making 3-layered bags. This is a completely different process, and of course, we'll always show you the start to finish everything and then results on Instagram. Now that we have everything set up, this one can handle all 10. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and turn it to this side, put a little bit in, and then I'm gonna put the rest of it in, the whole entire thing. Bam, there we go. Now, what we're gonna do, because everything will normally go to the back or the bottom, I'm gonna go ahead and set the bag on the side. We use colored syringes, that way it's very, very easy to see where the solution has been left. So, what we're gonna do is continue to rotate it for about 30 seconds on each side. This way, we can see everything is getting evenly spread out. And what we do is we just give it a continuous rotation, spreading out that solution, and it's gonna help with the entire process. Once we've done that, we label it, date it, put it into a dark, warm environment, wait until it gets about 40%. At that 40%, we're gonna mix up all of the contents within the bag. And then the bag's gonna do all the work for us. We don't need to do anything until the bag turns completely white. Once the bag turns completely white, all we have to do, chop the top. Then from there, we'll give it a nice misting, and these bags come with gloves and the perfect mister. So with the start to finish instructions and the videos that's in every product description, you'll be good to go. After that, you can use a chip clip, you can use tape, you can roll it up, pretty much anything that you want. But after we mist it, we just need to close up the top, then repeat the process every day until we get nice, big, beautiful fruits. Much love, and I'll see you on fullsendomorganics.com for more.